Hey everybody, Cappy here.
Miko here.
Here to play another round of Ratchet and go to the right screen. Ratchet and Clank. So, there's a trap there. I can see that much.
And there's a lot of creatures right there. Oh yeah, we faced those on one of the other planets, I think.
Did he just get upgraded?
I don't think so, no.
I didn't think he was all green before, but that...
Yeah, he was sort of green before. It's all one to use the jetpack.
There you go. Sand sharks are dead.
Throw your wrench. Or shoot.
Or just shoot it. I got more ammo for it.
You just have 6 bullets with it.
I guess I'm gonna have to find a new toy to play with.
Throw it.
Really?
Yeah, it doesn't do that much damage since it's only level 3.
Now let's try and...
Try the homing launcher.
I'm just trying to get my weapons upgraded all the way.
Yeah, good point.
If we don't upgrade it now, it'll be useless later.
Also, the rate of which you can throw it has been increased because I got a mystery upgrade for it.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill. Greetings, soon-to-be-dead alien.
I love Zircon.
Yeah.
He's a lot of fun.
Check it.
What'd I get? Oh, those are from Dread Zone.
I don't really know what that is.
It's the third game to the series.
Ah.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Crap. Plan B? I know with that too.
Call in Mr. Zircon.
I got one left.
Zircon has returned.
Down.
Mr. Zircon still hears hearts beating.
He's just out to kill, isn't he?
Oh yeah.
I'm definitely getting a crap load of money looking for these things.
Ooh, another Mr. Zircon.
You know how to be killed. Allow Mr. Zircon to give you your first lesson.
Okay. How do I free you? Because I know you're a good amount of money.
Oh, you just had to go near. It wasn't trapped. It was just relaxing in the lava.
Alright, I have a few Groovitron rounds left.
And also call in Mr. Zircon whenever you can.
Mr. Zircon has returned.
Yeah, get to a better vantage point and throw it right at him.
Zircon cannot wait to kill you.
Alright, now get a good weapon and light him up.
Take him down. There we go. Nice payload.
Oh yeah.
We already have 7 Raritanium. I'm surprised about that.
Alright, where are some more brains?
You got a good vantage point, but I'm not seeing...
There.
Time to take you down, buddy.
Run, you're about to die.
Oh
Okay,
boy.
go on.
Better find some nanotech.
And you're almost out of jet fuel. Now check.
work for now.
Get the proton bomb and shoot him with it.
Nice.
That.
Oh yeah. Guess I got some more rare titanium. I swear, I can't tell the difference between that and the fucking
Hollow
hollow
cards.
cards.
At times, neither can I.
I mean, if I can see them coming out, then yeah, I can tell. Definitely.
Alright, time to free that thing and kill it.
I need to find some more jetpack fuel. Right on time.
Alright, groove bomb, throw it right at it.
If I can see his head.
Alright, light it up.
Fully upgraded already. So
There we go.
it's a perfect distraction.
Oh yeah.
Is that rocket fuel?
Yeah, that is.
Yes, thank you. I need more fuel. What's that giant shield over there?
I don't know. Check it out. Oh, that's probably sets off a chain reaction. Raretanium.
Titanium. Holy
3.
crap! We got over 1,000. Well, I caught your attention, didn't I? Are you fucking smart or something?
Oh, it's coming back. Throw it now.
Of course, it's after I take a shot.
Got him.
That works.
Yep.
Got 22 brains.
So
out.
how do we deactivate this shield?
I don't even know what's generating it.
Oh,
It looks like the inside the levels.
I don't know. Oh, there was another brain over there.
Yeah, but there's a jetpack fuel.
Yeah.
I kind of need that to get around. So let's check out what brains over here. Forget them paying me. This is enough of a gold mine right
Oh
here.
crap. Oh no, 4 health and you're dead.
Okay. Fuck. So that was the last one I destroyed. So where did we see them?
It was over that way.
We already took care of everything down there, right? I think.
Well, we didn't go that way, but we went behind you to get to those other guys, but you can check that area.
Yeah, there's some brains down here too, and it looks a lot easier.
You should be good on ammo for Pixelator again.
Alright.
Yeah, 10 shots, not all that bad.
Mr. Zircon is here.
What level is Zircon on right now?
Well, he's so close
He's
to level
almost
5.
5.
We just got 2
Yeah.
more, so
Mr.
keep
Zircon
using them.
is not coming.
He got 11 Raretanium. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna get all of this stuff before we continue.
Zircon is the cure.
This is a gold mine.
I shall let you live, little alien. Signed.
You got a lot of raritanium.
We're gonna have to be quick here.
Boom. What did that unlock?
I don't know, but I'm gonna start shooting some buddies.
Call in Mrs. Zircon again.
Mr. Zircon being destroyed.
How close is he? Oh, so close. He's like almost there. What did I just activate?
Oh, it freed the alien.
Okay.
Do you know how to
Rubitron?
be killed? Allow Mr. Zircon to give you your
Come on,
first
big boy.
lesson.
He's fighting the warbots.
I'll leave you alone. Take him out for me.
Go over there.
Why do you hide, stinky aliens? Mr. Zircon only wishes for to kill you.
There we go. That one got it.
Pixelator is useless at this range. And we are almost at halfway.
Alright, calling Mr. Zircon again.
How many of him do I got left? Got one.
Do you remember Mr. Zircon?
Yes, I do. I'm trying to see what your final level is.
I shall let you live, lady.
I like you anyway. You're great the way you are. I can't imagine how you get any better. Pixelator.
Only 2 shots. Unless you pick up some more. No, that was combustor ammo. Oh, I mean, magma buster.
Take it down too
Okay,
long,
so
Max.
I'm guessing I go over here.
Flee before Mr. Zircon. Hello, stinky aliens.
Buster time. In the lobby you go, sucker. Okay, so
Ah.
let's get this out already. I'm down to the last one, so I can't miss.
Throw.
We're halfway there, so should be wrapping this up soon.
You feel. Oh, we leveled up.
We leveled up. Oh, sweet. I keep forgetting Ratchet can level up himself.
Could he not do that in the others?
He could, but it's just a function I never paid attention to.
Ah.
Okay, there's some back here. Sand sharks.
Oh no. Oh. Whew. I thought you overshot that.
Yeah, 12 rotanium. Jesus. Got 36. I'm almost down to 20 something. I've got like what, 24 left to collect. There's gotta be a few more areas I haven't noticed yet. I want that fucking gadget.
Yeah.
I'm guessing if there's... I'll use the hook shot.
Well, it would have been a more resourceful alternative than using the jetpack.
True. Well, there's a refueling station right here.
Alright.
Please say yes. I got one more Rubitron.
Go.
No! Oh,
Damn.
guess I'm sticking to the old-fashioned method.
Mr.
Take him on.
Zircon is here. Why do you hide, stinky aliens? Mr. Zircon.
Why aren't you shooting at us, Zircon?
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Yeah, log onto him and light him up. Fire. Ah, crap.
Last hope. Oh, not dead yet.
There we go.
I used up a lot of my ammo.
Another Mr. Zircon. Good.
Okay. I don't see any brains that way, so I guess... Up?
Yeah, hollow card.
Yes.
That's gotta be one of the Rhino ones. Check it out.
Okay.
That wasn't it. Alright, open.
Really?
Outstanding. You just completed a card set.
The number of bolts you earn has increased by 5%.
Huh. So the holo cards have a special effect.
Oh yeah.
That's cool.
Well, it wasn't a rhino card. I thought for sure it was gonna be.
Where? There's a
Brain.
Alright, we're at 41. We got 19 more to go. I guess I'll figure out where to go, and then we'll go to the next episode. I can't be that well hidden. I can't see where else.
Oh, I see a warship over there.
Okay, well, if there's enemies, then odds are there's brains. So I need to go to a refueling station, and then I think I'll fly most of the way there.
Alright, let's check it out.
Should be able to make it, especially if I flood with the fuel.
Yeah, there's brains over there.
Okay, cool. Well, with that, I think we'll actually leave it in the next episode then. So thank you everybody for watching. If you like this series, hit the thumbs up button on the video. And as always, subscribe. If you want to check out great content in this, or if you just want to get in touch with us, check out Miko's channel or our Facebook in the description below. As always, we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.